So ratio, what are ratios? Ratios are a comparison of two quantities. So for example, I see all of these zebras with stripes and giraffes with a long neck. Find the ratio of zebras to giraffe. Let's count them out. Zebras to giraffes. Zebras. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 zebras. To how many giraffes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15. So the ratio, I'm comparing the zebras with the giraffes. So comparing two different quantities, 9 to 15. So does order matter? Yes, it does. The first thing I needed to find was zebra, which is 9, then giraffes. If you wrote it 15:9, that's backward. You will get it wrong. Did you know you can simplify 9/15? So, so another way, there are three ways you can write ratios. You can write it as 9 to 15, 9:15. But notice how I wrote it in fraction form. Most of the time, I see ratios as 9 to 15 or in fraction form. So again, you're comparing two quantities. But did you know you can simplify this ratio of 9:15? I divide by 3, divide by 3, so it's 3/5. But how can I describe 3/5? What does 3/5 mean? There are, oh, let me describe it. Let me describe it right here and type it right here. So I'm going to describe it as a following. There are 3 zebras to every 5, or actually, I should say, for every 3 zebras, there are 5 giraffes. And that's how I'm gonna describe it. Is that really true? Let's look inside this pin. There are 3 zebras for every 5 giraffes. So another would say, so there are 6 zebras for 10 giraffes, and then 9 zebras for 15. They all have equal ratios. Now find a ratio. So that what we just did was something called part to part. So comparing a part of something to another part. Now let's do something called part to whole relationship. Find the ratio of zebras to the total number of animals. So in this I see 3 zebras to a total of all the animals. Zebras are animals. 2, 4, 6, 8. So there are 3, 6, 9 zebras to 8, 8, 8, 24 total number of animals. I could write it in the form of 9:24, or I could write it in fraction form, 9/24. Can I simplify this? You bet I can. I'm going to divide the numerator and denominator by 3 and get 3, 8. But what is that in words? How could I say that in words? For every 3 zebras, there are 8 animals. Is that really true? Let's look inside this first one. There are 3 zebras, 8 animals. 3 zebra, 8 animal. 3 zebra, 8 animal. So again, ratio is what? Comparing two different quantities. And yes, you can simplify. And yes, you can write it in 3 forms with the word to, the word with colon, and write it as a fraction. And then you can simplify it.